Hello, little farmers! Welcome to our farm adventure. Get ready to meet some amazing animal friends and learn what sounds they make. Are you ready? First, let's say hello to our big friendly cow. What does the cow say? Moo Moo! Can you say moo moo with a big deep voice? Now let's go to the pond. It's a little duck. The duck says, "Quack quack!" Can you say quack quack? And wiggle your body like a duck. Look, here's our chicken that gives us eggs. The chicken says, "Cluck cluck." Can you try to make a soft cluck cluck sound? Which animal runs fast? It's the beautiful horse. The horse says, "Neigh." Can you make a big loud neigh? What a fun day on the farm! What was your favourite farm animal sound?